Ever seen a robot pour you a glass of water without spilling a drop? How about one that can run faster than your morning commute? Well, grab your seatbelts because the 2024 International Humanoid Robot Conference just dropped some mind-blowing updates. We're talking Tesla's Optimus robot pouring water like a pro, Boston Dynamics Atlas doing backflips and working in warehouses, and a new player on the block, Figure 02, that's lifting 75 kilos like it's a paperweight. Oh, and let's not forget Neo, the robot that could give the Flash a run for his money. Let's dive into the future of robotics, folks. Picture a humanoid robot balancing on one foot or pouring water into a cup without spilling a drop. Welcome to the future of robotics. Let's rewind and break it down because this conference wasn't just about robots doing cool tricks, it's about the real next-gen robotics. From AI breakthroughs to game-changing design updates, 2024 is setting the stage for humanoid robots to move from science fiction to real-world applications. Ever seen a robot pour you a glass of water without spilling a drop? How about one that can run faster than your morning commute? Well, grab your seatbelts because the 2024 International Humanoid Robot Conference just dropped some mind-blowing updates. We're talking Tesla's Optimus robot pouring water like a pro, Boston Dynamics Atlas doing backflips and working in warehouses, and a new player on the block, Figure 02, that's lifting 75 kilograms like it's a paperweight. And let's not forget Neo, the robot that could give the Flash a run for his money. Let's dive into the future of robotics, folks. Let's rewind and break it down because this conference wasn't just about robots doing cool tricks. It's about the real next-gen robotics. From AI breakthroughs to game-changing design updates, 2024 is setting the stage for humanoid robots to move from science fiction to real-world applications. First up, Tesla's Optimus. And no, it's not just a robot in a shiny suit ready to save the world, but it's getting there. Elon Musk and his team dropped some insane updates on Optimus at the conference. We saw the robot take on real-world tasks with more dexterity than most of us can manage with a coffee cup. Check this out. Optimus was able to pick up a glass of water and pour it without spilling a single drop. Yeah, that's some next-level fine motor skills. Optimus is now rocking improved hand movements thanks to advanced sensors, so no more awkward, clumsy robot moments. But it didn't stop there. This robot can now adapt to its environment in real time. Gone are the days of pre-programmed paths. Optimus now thinks and adapts like a pro. And let's talk about the price tag. Elon Musk revealed that the goal is to make Optimus affordable for mass production under $20,000. That's right, under $20,000. Imagine this robot in your factory or even as a personal assistant around the house. It's not just for billionaires anymore. Next, we've got Atlas from Boston Dynamics. Yeah, the one that's been making jaws drop for years. Atlas is famous for doing backflips and looking like it came straight out of a Hollywood action movie. But this year, Atlas got a major upgrade and it's now focused on something far more practical, working in warehouses. That's right, forget the acrobatics. Now Atlas is about lifting boxes and stacking them with military precision. Need a robot to do your heavy lifting? Atlas is ready, and get this, its battery life has been boosted by 40%, meaning it can keep working longer without recharging. That's huge for industries like logistics and construction. Plus, Atlas is now navigating rugged terrains like a pro, handling uneven surfaces with ease. This makes it perfect for disaster zones or construction sites. So yeah, backflips are cool, but Atlas is getting ready to show up at your job site and get things done. Then there's Figure 02, the new kid on the humanoid block, and they're not here to play. At the conference, Figure unveiled its latest bot, which is not only incredibly strong but also agile enough to take on real-world tasks without breaking a sweat. Figure 02 can lift over 75 kilograms, and it moves with the kind of agility you'd expect from a top-tier athlete. Think warehouse jobs, construction tasks, stuff that requires strength and finesse. But what sets it apart? It's got AI powered by OpenAI, allowing it to understand complex commands. Imagine giving it verbal instructions to sort objects by color and size, and bam, it does it flawlessly. Plus, Figure 02 comes with a modular design, meaning its parts are swappable and customizable. This reduces maintenance time and costs, which is a huge win for businesses. It's like your robot, your rules. And finally, we can't forget Neo from 1X Technologies. If you think all humanoid robots just walk and wave, then Neo is here to change your mind. Neo demonstrated its ability to run at human-like speeds on a treadmill, jump, crouch, and perform dynamic movements without losing its balance. This robot weighs only 30 kilograms but can deadlift 70 kilograms. That strength-to-weight ratio is crazy impressive, right? Neo's versatility makes it ideal for heavy lifting, rescue operations, and even surgery assistance. Plus, its full range of motion means it can perform delicate tasks with incredible precision. Let's be honest, if Neo doesn't become the new gym buddy we all need, I don't know what will. The conference also featured some epic robot competitions. Teams from around the globe showcased collaborative robots working together to complete tasks. This isn't just about robots working in isolation anymore, it's about working together to solve real-world problems. These challenges showed us that robots are becoming more adaptable, working in environments where humans and machines coexist, and the focus on AI, huge. Robots are learning on the job, adapting to new tasks without reprogramming. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and logistics. So, what's the takeaway from the 2024 Humanoid Robot Conference? The future is closer than ever. From Tesla Optimus to Neo, Atlas, and Figure 02, these robots are no longer just sci-fi fantasy. They're real, they're here, and they're ready to change the way we live, work, and interact with technology. And don't worry, this is just the beginning. As AI improves, so will these robots. They'll be a part of our daily lives, whether it's in factories, warehouses, or even helping out at home. What do you think? Are you ready for robots to take over the world, or at least help you carry the groceries? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next chapter in this exciting robotics revolution. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, where robots do more than just impress us. They'll be changing the world.